children, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Are you all enjoying the weather? I hope you all are enjoying the weather. So don't go outside. It is not healthy if you go outside. Okay? So in the previous sessions we have learned the same letter words from A to I. So today we are going to do the remaining letters. Let us go and see what we get in the textbook. So children, we are going to do page number 15 today. See, odd one out, right? Circle the two pictures that begin with the same letter sound. So what we have to do? We have to circle the two pictures that begin with the same letter sound. Okay? Same letter, the pictures which are having the same letter we have to circle here. Let us see the pictures first. What are they? Jug, J-U-G, jug. This is J-A-R, jar. F-O-X, fox. So what are the words here? Jug, jar, fox. So which words we have to circle? J letter words. This is capital J, small j. Okay. So which two pictures are starting with the same letter? Jug and jar. Jug and jar are the same letter sounds. Jug. Both the words are starting with the same letter, na? Jug, jar. So odd one is fox because it is starting with letter F. Next, K. Capital K, small k. Let us see the pictures. Juice, J-U-I-C-E, juice. K-I-N-G, king. Juice, king. K-I-T-E, kite. What is this? Kite. So what we have to circle here? Here the letter is given K. So we have to circle the word which is starting with the letter K. Is juice starting with the letter K? No, no, it's starting with J. So it's odd one. King. Is this word starting with K? Yes. So we have to circle. Kite. Kite is also starting with the letter K. So we have to circle this also. So which one is odd one now? Juice. Because the word juice is starting with letter J. Next. L. Capital L, small l. Let us see the pictures. Ear, E-A-R, ear. Lock, L-O-C-K, lock. Lion, you all know the lion, right? Where do we see lion? Forest. Zoo, L-I-O-N, lion. So which pictures we have to circle now? The word which is starting with letter L. Ear. You can see ear is starting with E. Letter E. Lock. Lock is starting with the letter L. So we have to circle lock. Next. Lion. L-I-O-N, lion. So lion is also starting with letter L. So this is also same letter picture. So odd one is ear. Ear, lock, lion. Among this ear, lock, lion, ear is the odd one and same letter pictures are lock, lion. Next, M. Capital M, small m. First picture. Mango. I. Mat. M-A-N-G-O, mango. E-Y-E-I, M-A-T, mat. So which letter pictures we have to circle now? M. Mango. See the first letter? So mango is starting with the same M, right? Circle mango. I. Is I starting with letter M? No, no? So let's go to the next one. Mat. Is mat is starting with letter M? Yes. So we have to circle. So children, mango, mat are same letter word pictures, right? Odd one is I. N. Capital N, small m. So let us see the pictures. Leaf, nest, net. Leaf, L-E-A-F. Leaf is starting with letter L. N-E-S-T, nest. Nest is starting with letter N. N-E-T, net. Net is starting with letter N. So which letter sound we have to consider now? N. So obviously the odd one is leaf because it is starting with letter L. Nest is starting with N. So we have to circle nest. Net is starting with letter N. So this is also same letter sound. So children, let us read the words here. J-U-G, jug. J-A-R, jar. F-O-X, fox. So children, we are going to read the words which is starting with J. So no need of reading this fox now. J-U-G, jug. J for jug. J-A-R, jar. J for jar. Next. K. K for king. K-I-N-G, king. K for kite. K-I-T-E, kite. K for king. K for kite. L. L for lock. L-O-C-K, lock. L for lion. L-I-O-N, lion. L for lock. L for lion. M. Mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Small m. Mat. M-A-T, mat. M for mango. M for mat. N. N-E-S-T, nest. N. N-E-T, net. N for nest. N for net. So children, we have circled the same letter sound pictures from J to N. The remaining letters with the words we will see the next topic in the next session. So till then, bye bye.